Day 6 of Road to D1. Today I started off my day by reading the Bible, and then I had my breakfast, and then I went to school. After school, I went back to my house and went back to school for practice. I started off my workout by making 150 form shots, and then I made 100 free throws. After working on my free throws, I moved on to my mid-range and three-point shooting workout. After practice, I went back to my house and finished off my day by writing my journal. I'll see you guys on day 7. Peace.